Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Alchemy by Taylor Swift on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. We'll focus on 4 fundamental chords: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. These chords form the backbone of the song. Practice transitioning between them slowly at first, aiming for clean, clear sounds. Mastering these basic changes is your first step to playing this beautiful track. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A versatile and easy pattern for the Alchemy is down, down, up, up, down, up. This 6-beat pattern works well for most sections. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm, perhaps using a metronome set to around 100 beats per minute. Remember to give a slight emphasis to the first downstroke of each measure to really drive the rhythm forward. Consistency is key here. Understanding the song's structure will greatly help your playing. The Alchemy largely cycles through the G, C, M, and D chord progression for both the verses and choruses. This consistent 4-chord loop makes it quite accessible. While the chord progression remains, listen closely for subtle rhythmic shifts or slight pauses, especially as you move into the bridge. The bridge might introduce a minor variation, but the main chords are still your guide. To truly master the Alchemy, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing each section very slowly, ensuring every chord change is clean and every note rings out clearly. Gradually increase your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the movements. Listening to Taylor Swift's original recording will help you internalize the song's feel and timing. Aim for smooth transitions and a confident, expressive performance. You'll be playing it beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.